Cooking great food doesn't have to take forever, and that's where the best 6-quart air fryer comes in. These versatile kitchen companions make it easy to enjoy crispy, flavorful meals with less oil and less time. In this video, we're looking at some of the top-rated models that stand out for performance, design, and reliability. Before we dive in, I'm honestly super interested to hear which air fryer brand you've had the best experience with, so let me know in the comments because I'm genuinely curious. Let's begin with the CHEFMAN 6-quart dual basket air fryer oven, a model that immediately impresses with its innovative dual basket design. From the moment you power it on, you can sense the attention to detail built into every part of its construction. The two independent baskets allow you to prepare 2 different dishes simultaneously, each with its own temperature and timer settings. Imagine roasting seasoned vegetables in one basket while crisping up golden chicken wings in the other. The sync finish feature ensures both are ready at exactly the same time. Each basket has a clear viewing window, so you can watch your food brown and bubble without interrupting the cooking process. The CHEFMAN's rapid air circulation system is engineered for efficiency, cooking food up to 30% faster than a conventional oven while using little to no oil. The result is food that's evenly cooked, beautifully crisp on the outside, and tender on the inside. The 6-quart capacity is generous enough for family-sized portions, yet compact enough to fit neatly on your countertop. The digital touchscreen is sleek and easy to navigate, with intuitive presets for common dishes like fries, chicken, fish, and baked goods. Every element of the design feels purposeful, from the cool touch exterior to the quiet operation that lets you cook without noise dominating your kitchen.
It's very quiet. That bacon is sizzling.
When you use this air fryer, you'll notice how evenly it cooks across both baskets. The heat distribution is remarkably consistent, so you never have to worry about one side being overdone while the other lags behind. Cleanup is effortless. The non-stick baskets and crisper trays slide out smoothly and are dishwasher safe. The matte black finish gives it a modern, understated look that blends seamlessly into any kitchen decor. You'll find yourself reaching for this appliance daily, whether you're preparing a quick solo meal or hosting a family dinner. It's a model that brings convenience and creativity together in one compact, capable package. What really makes the CHEFMAN dual basket air fryer oven stand out in 6-quart air fryer reviews is how it adapts to your cooking style. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or experimenting with new recipes, it gives you the flexibility to do more in less time. The dual basket setup encourages variety. You can cook proteins inside simultaneously, or even prepare vegetarian and non-vegetarian dishes without flavor crossover. The intuitive controls make it easy to switch between cooking modes, and the rapid air technology ensures that everything comes out with that perfect golden finish. When you open the baskets, you're greeted with the aroma of evenly cooked food and the satisfying sound of crisp perfection. It's a machine that doesn't just save you time, it elevates the entire cooking experience. And moving on to the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-quart ClearCook air fryer, you'll immediately notice what sets it apart: the ClearCook window built into the basket. This simple but brilliant feature lets you watch your food transform in real time, illuminated by an internal light that gives you a perfect view of the cooking process. The 6-quart capacity is ideal for families or anyone who likes to cook in batches, and the stainless steel exterior gives it a polished, professional appearance. The Even Crisp airflow technology is the heart of this model. It channels superheated air around your food for a flawless golden finish every time. When you start cooking with the ClearCook, you'll appreciate how quickly it preheats and how evenly it cooks. The digital control panel is intuitive, offering precise temperature control and 6 smart programs: air fry, roast, bake, reheat, broil, and dehydrate. Each mode is carefully calibrated to deliver consistent results, whether you're making crispy fries, tender salmon, or perfectly baked pastries. The internal fan operates quietly but powerfully, circulating air to ensure your food cooks evenly and efficiently. You'll find that the texture and flavor of your meals rival those from a traditional oven, but in a fraction of the time. The ClearCook's design is as practical as it is beautiful. The basket and tray are coated with a non-stick finish that makes cleanup simple. Just remove, rinse, and you're done. The built-in light and viewing window mean you can check progress without opening the basket, preserving heat, and maintaining efficiency. The air fryer's compact footprint makes it easy to store, yet its 6-quart capacity can handle everything from a full chicken to a tray of roasted vegetables. It's a perfect blend of transparency, control, and performance. When you use the Instant Pot Vortex Plus ClearCook, you'll discover how much confidence it adds to your cooking. There's something deeply satisfying about watching your food crisp and caramelize through the window, knowing the machine is handling the rest. The combination of smart design and advanced air technology makes it a joy to use and a reliable companion for everyday meals. It's the kind of appliance that frequently tops 6-quart air fryer reviews because it delivers both precision and consistency. If you've ever tried this model or another from Instant, I'm genuinely curious how your results turned out. So share your experience in the comments because I'd love to compare notes. Next up is the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart air fryer, a model known for its reliability and ease of use. The first thing you'll notice is the clean, minimalist design. The digital display is bright and uncluttered, giving you direct access to 6 cooking functions: air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. The Even Crisp technology, one of Instant's signature innovations, ensures that hot air flows evenly from top to bottom, creating that perfect balance of crispness and tenderness. The stainless steel accents give it a refined look, while the 6-quart basket provides ample space for family-sized meals. When you cook with the Vortex Plus, you'll appreciate how quickly it heats up. It preheats in just a few minutes, allowing you to go from prep to plate in record time. The intuitive controls make it easy to fine-tune temperature and time, so you can experiment with different recipes confidently. Whether you're baking muffins, roasting vegetables, or reheating leftovers, the results are consistently delicious. The powerful fan and heating element ensure that food cooks evenly, while the non-stick basket makes serving and cleanup effortless. Every detail of the Vortex Plus feels thoughtfully designed. The air fryer operates quietly,
Here we go.
and its compact footprint means it won't crowd your countertop. The sleek black and silver finish complements any kitchen aesthetic, and the simple interface makes it approachable even for beginners. You'll find that it encourages creativity. It's just as capable of making crispy tofu as it is of baking a small batch of cookies. Using the Instant Vortex Plus, you can expect reliable, repeatable results every time. Its combination of speed, precision, and simplicity makes it a true workhorse for everyday cooking. It's a model that's often featured in 6-quart air fryer reviews for its consistent performance and user-friendly design. You'll love how it transforms weeknight dinners into something special without requiring extra effort. Now, moving on to the COSORI 9-in-1 TurboBlaze Air Fryer 6-quart, you'll immediately notice the difference in engineering. This model features a high-performance DC motor that operates more efficiently and quietly than traditional AC motors. The result is faster cooking times, smoother airflow, and remarkably consistent results. The TurboBlaze technology circulates air with precision, ensuring that every inch of your food is cooked evenly. The 9-in-1 functionality covers everything from air fry and bake to broil, roast, and dehydrate, giving you a complete cooking solution in one sleek unit. When you use the COSORI TurboBlaze, you'll feel the difference in speed and control. The temperature range of 90 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit gives you incredible flexibility, whether you're gently dehydrating fruit slices or searing a steak. The ceramic-coated basket is BPA and PFOA-free, offering a safe, non-stick surface that's easy to clean and built for durability. The digital interface is crisp and modern, with clear icons and a responsive touch panel that makes adjustments effortless. The TurboBlaze's airflow system is engineered to deliver precision cooking. You'll notice that fries come out evenly golden, chicken wings develop a satisfying crunch, and baked goods rise beautifully without drying out. The motor's quiet operation makes it a pleasure to use, even for longer cooking cycles like roasting or dehydrating. The build quality feels solid and premium, with a compact design that fits comfortably on most countertops. Cooking with the COSORI TurboBlaze feels both intuitive and rewarding. You can expect consistent, flavorful results that rival traditional ovens, but in a fraction of the time. It's a model that frequently appears in 6-quart air fryer review discussions thanks to its advanced motor and versatility. Every meal feels a little more refined, a little more precise, and a lot more satisfying. Finally, we come to the Ninja Air Fryer 6.5 Quart Pro XL, a model that defines performance and reliability in this category. The generous 6.5 quart capacity makes it perfect for families or anyone who likes to meal prep in larger batches. The dual fan convection system works in harmony with Ninja's Max Crisp technology to deliver up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit of superheated air, locking in flavor and creating that signature crunch. Whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, reheating, or dehydrating, the Pro XL handles it all with remarkable consistency. When you use the Ninja Pro XL, you'll notice how powerful yet precise it feels. The digital control panel is intuitive, allowing you to easily adjust time and temperature for perfect results every time. The ceramic-coated basket ensures even heat distribution and easy cleanup, while the sleek, modern design complements any kitchen. It preheats quickly and cooks evenly, producing beautifully golden fries, tender chicken, and perfectly roasted vegetables. The Ninja's craftsmanship is evident in its balance of power and control. The high-velocity fan circulates air rapidly, ensuring your food cooks evenly without the need to shake or stir frequently. The dehydrate function adds another layer of versatility, letting you create homemade snacks like fruit chips or jerky. You'll enjoy the quiet operation and the sense of confidence that comes from knowing your food will turn out exactly as expected. Cooking with the Ninja Air Fryer Pro XL feels like having a professional-grade tool at your fingertips. It's powerful enough for demanding recipes, yet refined enough for everyday use. You can expect consistent, delicious results that make every meal feel effortless. It's often mentioned in best 6-quart air fryer comparisons for its precision, quality, and ease of use. A perfect way to end this lineup of exceptional 6-quart air fryers. Out of all these models, I'm super curious which one you think deserves the title of best 6-quart air fryer, so drop your pick in the comments because I genuinely love to see what everyone's leaning toward. Each of these air fryers brings its own strengths, but they all share one thing in common. They make cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Whether you're drawn to the dual basket flexibility of the CHEFMAN, the transparency of the Instant Pot ClearCook, or the power of the Ninja Pro XL, each one delivers a premium cooking experience. If you found this helpful, maybe give it a quick like. It really helps. And let me know if you'd want to follow up on other air fryer sizes because I'm genuinely curious what you'd like to see next.